ನವ್ವೆಂಗುಂಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯಮಕಾಲ ಕೃತಿ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸದಾಶಿವರಾವ್ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸುರುಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ರೂಪಕತಾಳ ಮಹಾದೇವ ಕಂಚೀಪುರಾಧೀಶ. Sri Mysore Sadashivarao was born in the year 1815 at Giranpet, situated in Andhra Pradesh. His parents is Shankarao and Krishnabai. He was a disciple of Sri Sadguru Tyagaraja. Once he himself composed a Kruti and rendered in front of Sri Sadguru Tyagaraja at Tiruvalnikini Parthasad temple and got his blessings. Later he continued learning lessons from Sri Valajapete Venkatram Bhagavatar. He was a senior most disciple of Sri Sadguru Tyagaraja. Once Veene Swami visited Arni and he happened to listen the concert of Sri Mysore Sadashivarao and he was impressed of the musical talent of Sri Mysore Sadashivarao and he brought him to Mysore. At that time, Maharaja of Mysore was Mummadi Krishna Odayar. Maharaja of Mysore, after listening to his musical talent, appointed him as court musician. Many miracles happened in his life. He was a devotee of Lord Narasimha. Daily after taking bath, he used to compose and render kritis in front of Lord Narasimha. One day a devotee came and requested him to render Kruti Narasimha Dhyanamchano. On the day he did not take bath, and after finishing the Kruti, the photo of Narasimha fell and broke into pieces. The devotee asked him to pardon. The Divan ordered the devotee to repair the photo. Once he was entering Neraval, Kanchi Puradisha Jagadisha, in the Kruti Samaraj Dayakesha, in the Rag Kamboji, serpent came and stood on his shoulders. Students were afraid. After finishing the Kruti, serpent went away. His disciples were Veene Padmanabhaya, Veene Subbanna, Veene Sheshana. Though they were Veena players, they used to learn music from Sri Mysore Sadashivarao. He has composed Tanavarna, Inta Chauka Seya Niko Tarama, Indra Kamavardhini, Swaratiti Sri Rama Viramanatha Indra Kamsabdhani, Ragamalika Panchabhanudanaapai, Kruti, Tillana, Javali, Mangala. He is under Sadashiva. Sari Ma Pani Sa Sani da pa ma ga pa mari sa. Suruti Raga is Janya of 28 Mulari Kamboji. The Saraskumi Raga Shadja, Chaturshati Rishabha, Shuddha Madhyama, Panchama, Kaishik Nishadin Arohana, Chaturshati Devata Antargama comes in Avarohana. These are examples of Auda Vakra Sampurna Raga, Gada Swaras or Varjan Arohana, Madhyama, Gandhara Panchama or Vakra Swaras, Raga Sanchara. Ni da pa ma ga pa ma ri re ma pa ni ni sa ni da pa ma ga pa ma ri sa. The special feature of this raga is Suruti Nishada. The famous construction of Suruti are Chelired Satanavarna, Patiki Arati, composed by Sri Sadguru Tyagaraja, Angaraka Marshayamiham, Shri Bala Kuchambika, Kamshmuta Sam Dikshitar, Talapana, Tadari Nanta Tana Tana Tadari Na Tana Tadari na ta na tadari na ta na ta na ana ta na ta na tadari na Tana Magadeva Kanchi Puradisha Pagimam Shambho Magadeva Kanchi Puradisha Pagimam Shambho Magadeva Kanchi Puradisha Pagimam Maga Vipina Samajatadara Samrakshama Shambho Magadeva Kanchi Puradisha Pagima मग विपिन समजटाधर संरक्ष मां शंभो मग देव कंचीपुराधीश पाहि मां तोगिन गिरिजानायक तोगिन गिरिजानायक तोगिन कर धारक तोगिन गिरिजानायक तोगिन कर धारक भव तोगिन व्रज पावक आश्रित जन पोषक शंभो मग देव कंचीपुराधीश पाहि मां तोगिन गिरिजानायक तोगिन कर धारक भव तोगिन व्रज पावक आश्रित जन पोषक शंभो मग देव कंचीपुराधीश पाहि मां कामदगन ख्यात नामा कामनेत्री हृदय काम कामदगन ख्यात नामा कामनेत्री हृदय काम पंचवदन व्योमवसन पंचपापनाशना पंचवदन व्योमवसन पंचपापनाशना ज्योतवृक्ष मूलजात भूतनाथ गीत प्रीत ज्योतवृक्ष मूलजात भूतनाथ गीत प्रीत कुंजनासुर भंजन कर कुंजर मुख गीत कर कुंजरासुर भंजन कर कुंजर मुख गीत कर सदा शिव कवि संकट हर जगदुद्धार सदा मुनि जन वंदित एकाम्बेश्वर सुधाकर शेखर भयंकर गंगर दयाकर गंगाधर शंकर किंकर भयगर डमरु विनोदगर पिनाकधर शंभो मग देव कंचीपुराधीश पाहि मां सदा शिव कवि संकटहर जगदोद्धार सदा मुनि जन वंदित एकाम्बेश्वर सुधाकर शेखर भयंकर गंगर दयाकर गंगाधर शंकर किंकर भयगर डमर विनोदकर पिनाकधर शंभो मग देव कंचीपुराधीश पाहि मां मग विपिन समजटाधर संरक्ष मां शंभो मग देव कंचीपुराधीश पाहि मां अंकित and composer comes in the Madhyamaka Sahitya as Sada Shiva Kavi Sankata Harajaga Duddhara. I am sure like my videos in this Kruti. Please press the like button, bell button, subscribe button and share with your friends and relatives.